Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create grunge aesthetic outfits. So the first half of the video, I'm just going to be giving you general tips of what will make your outfits look grungy, and then the second half of the video, I'm going to be showing you ideas of outfits I came up with that you can replicate exactly. Okay, the first tip, and the one I think is most important, is layers. You can literally not have enough layers when you're trying to look grungy. T-shirts over long sleeves, t-shirts over sweatshirts, and tank tops over short sleeves, tank tops over long sleeves. Literally, layers upon layers upon layers. You can never have enough. The second tip is wearing a lot of jewelry, and specifically chain jewelry. That is what is going to take your outfits from just regular to 100% grungy, is if you wear tons of chains. Going along with that, something else that is very grungy is piercings. And the only real piercings I have are my lobes, and also I have this ear piercing. But if your parents won't let you get piercings, which I totally understand, or if you just don't want to get one, you can buy fake piercings at places like Hot Topic and stuff. And you can just put it in like that. Look, your outfit is immediately 10 times more grungy than it was before. So tip number 3 is to generally wear darker colors. Now, you can look grungy and be wearing brighter colors, but it just doesn't really seem to vibe or work well. It will probably look more like another style. So blacks, grays, beiges, and then little pops of maybe red or blues is what I think generally look the most edgy. Tip number 4 is to wear sneakers or some sort of combat boot. So Vans and Converse are going to be your best friends, and Doc Martens. I don't have Doc Martens, but those, perfect. Honestly, these aren't even really tips, they're more just like me telling you generalizations of what is in this style. So keep that in mind. Tip number 5 is to wear patterns such as stripes or checkers. I tend to see those a lot on like Instagram posts of grungy outfits. And in my own, I'm saying as if I don't do that. Tip number 6, I think this is tip number 6, is having black nails, which I actually do right now. They're kind of ratchety because I painted them myself, trying to save that money, you know what I'm saying? But that even makes it look more grungy because it's all like chipped and like imperfect. Alright, now that I've given you all the generalizations of what a grungy, edgy outfit would look like, I'm going to be showing you my outfits, starting with the one I'm already wearing. Okay, so this first outfit, as you can see, I've utilized the layering aspect of the grunge look. I've got my striped long sleeve and one of my favorite band's t-shirts, Queen. So I've got a little pop of blue and yellow, but pretty much wearing black. And then I've got my very edgy, holy black belt and my pant chain. And then I've got the chain necklace here. And then I've got these super edgy earrings that I got at Hot Topic. I've got my fake piercing. I've got some rings on. In addition to that, I've got my black Vans. And then I've decided to mix two patterns. I've got the stripes, and then I've also got my checkered socks. Let me get a close-up on that. Didn't know if you could see that. So one reason why this outfit is really great is because you can pretty much replace any item you have that looks anything similar to this. So you've got a t-shirt and a long sleeve, great, put those together. It doesn't have to be striped, it doesn't have to be a band t-shirt, a long sleeve with a short sleeve t-shirt, perfect. You've got sneakers, you've got a belt, and you have your grungy outfit, perfect. On to the next one. All right, outfit number 2. so with this outfit, I'm pretty much all black, but the sweatshirt I'm wearing has a nice pop of red in it, so I decided to pair it with my red Vans, and I decided to keep my checkered socks on because I think it looks really cool. I've got just a regular black belt on, and then I decided to double chain my pants this time because I feel like I don't really have a lot going on with this outfit. But here's the thing, this outfit is super versatile. So this looks really cool on its own. Like, if you go out wearing this, you're gonna look super grungy, super edgy, but you have options, okay? You can leave the hoodie untucked, or you can tuck it in and add a t-shirt over it. So here I've got a red t-shirt to go with the red detailing on the side. It needs to be a bit cold out to wear this outfit, and let me tell you, it is not cold enough to wear this yet. So this is just for the video, but in the fall, in the winter, this will be perfect. And then look, you have a whole new look. This looks completely different than without the t-shirt. The whole tucked in look, super cute. It's kind of like the last one, but it's different because you've got a little bagginess going on in the hood. Also, super big trend is to tie the strings in a knot like that. Not a knot, a bow. Got the socks there. Ooh. So you can do just the hoodie, and that's easy, super easy to throw on a hoodie, but you can put a t-shirt over it, tuck it in, pair it with a belt, chains, sneakers that match the pop color you've got going on. There you go. Outfit number 2, my dudes. All right, outfit number 3. Okay, so with this outfit, as you can see, I am doing more layering because this is such a nice opportunity to sort of tie in your patterns. So, one thing I've got going on, which is very popular, is I have this Thrasher t-shirt on, but the cool part is the dress I'm wearing covers up the Thrasher part and you can only see the flames. And I have these little flame, ooh, don't want to flash anybody. I got these flame socks, so it sort of ties together, which I think is really cute. So I got the flame socks, the classic black Vans, a classic black strap dress, and then I have the chain. This is the same chain I was wearing earlier with the first outfit, and then I also have this choker, which is perfect for grunge outfits. Chokers, 10 out of 10. And then I also put this different pair of earrings on. It's just hoops with little chains falling from it, which I also got at Hot Topic. So that's this outfit. It's really easy, honestly. Just put any t-shirt under a dress or long sleeve. That would be perfect. And you don't even have to do the whole sock matches the shirt thing. I just think it's a really cute idea. If you have anything like that, I highly recommend you put them together. Another thing you can do to spice up your outfits, which you could put this on any outfit, I just think it would look cute with this one, is adding one of these fanny pack bags. And I typically wear mine over my shoulder like this. They're super popular right now, and you can carry this around instead of having a purse over your shoulder, so it's perfect. So that's all for this outfit. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, let's move on to outfit number 4. I don't know why I went like this. I guess it's 4, 2 and 2. Alright, so what I've got going on in this outfit is so many layers and so much jewelry, like to the max. So first off, I've got this black corduroy skirt and a black belt. And then I've got the pant chain, making a comeback again. And then first appearance of Converse in this video is here, because I just think the high tops look really nice when you can see the whole leg. And then as far as layers go, I'm wearing a short sleeve black shirt with a cream tank top. The camera's having a really hard time focusing, and I think it's because this is so bright. Bear with me. I've got those two together, which you could, especially right now when it's hot, wear this. This is super cute, but if you just want to add a little extra, this cute black and white flannel adds a lot. Then I'm wearing this same chain and this choker, but I added another chain and also this thin chain. So I'm wearing 4 necklaces. Do not be afraid to go overboard. And then I have these guitar pick Freddie Mercury earrings, my love. I just think it looks really nice with this flannel. We've got that going on. And that is this outfit. Alright, we have one more outfit to go, and then I will wrap up this video. Last outfit, outfit number 5, baby. Okay, so for this outfit, it's actually quite simple. I'm not doing any sort of layering or much jewelry. What we've got going on is a plaid red skirt, so actually probably the most color we've done throughout this. A Boston t-shirt that actually has red and blue in it, so it ties in with the skirt very nicely. And then a new grunge aesthetic item I've introduced in this outfit is the fishnet tights. There it is. Excuse me. Also, this is the first outfit where I've worn boots. I just decided to keep this choker on, super simple, and then went for a classic silver hoop. Sometimes you just gotta go real simple. So this is the most simple outfit out of all of them, and I think it still looks very grungy and very edgy. So there's the 5th outfit for you. That is all that I have for this video. I really hope that it gave you some inspiration to go through your closet and make some grungy aesthetic outfits if that's what you're into. I really wanted to make this video because I feel like we all have these items in our closet. We just don't know how to style them to look the way we want them to. So hopefully these outfits and these tips gave you some ideas of how you can do this for yourself. And I had a lot of fun making this video, and I hope to make some more fashion videos. So if you have any other aesthetics you want me to make videos on, go ahead and comment them down below. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be making lots of fashion videos, so stay tuned for that. And just thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!